Alright, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to install this shift fork. So, put that gear in first, this setup here, and then put it like that. I won't be able to demonstrate it, I think, because I just have one hand here, but it will go in. There you go. So, as you can see, it does go in. I did it with one hand. I'm so fucking good. I know, right? There. Now, I will mention that the flat part of the fork has to face the back. And the ridge part, as you can see there, hopefully, faces the transmission side or the front of the truck. There. We'll do a separate video later, maybe.